Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Discovery HSE Luxury 3 litre diesel in Brightens red. This car's previously had 2 owners. As it's an approved used vehicle, you get a minimum 12 months approved warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. If we take a look around the car, you'll see you've got LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a real modern exterior. 21-inch 9-split spoke silver finish alloys. Going into the back of the car, you'll see you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with ISOFIX brackets on either side, which is practical for families. A centre armrest, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as possible. You have a 4-zone climate control, so even the passengers in the back can set their temperature, and 8-inch rear seat entertainment, which is perfect for younger children. Stepping back outside the car, you have a powered tailgate, which is handy if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs and pushchairs. You do also have 2 extra seats which can be controlled electrically, which again is practical for bigger families or if you often have extra passengers. Parcel shelf to keep your personal items more secure, however that can be taken out if needs be. And you also have a tow bar, which is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. You also have a privacy glass and keyless entry, which again is helpful if you have your hands full. Taking a look inside the vehicle, you have Discovery tread plates, along with electrically adjustable front seats, and gorgeous perforated ebony Windsor leather seats. You have a fixed panoramic roof at the back and a sliding one at the front, which is really nice for a sunny day. On your right you have memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian surround sound system for better quality sound. Electric windows along with electrically folding wing mirrors, which is helpful if you're in a tight space. And you do also have blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for motorway driving. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter and cruise control, which is helpful for long journeys, along with the heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. And in the screen in front of you, you can view your driver assistance, your trip, display settings, vehicle information, and back to driver assistance. Touchscreen with different functions, including a rear view camera, which is also a 360-degree surround camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. And you can also choose which angle you would like to see the camera from. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, keeping personal information secure. You also have ambient lighting with a few different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark. Heated and cooled front seats, which is practical for winter and summer, so every journey is relaxing and luxury. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving, so you have grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. And in your armrest you have some storage, along with different charging ports, which again is useful for long journeys. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Discovery HSE Luxury 3 litre diesel in Brightens red. This car's done 49,945 miles. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.